Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you can't sign into an online game on your PS5 account. So sometimes when I'm playing the Elder Scrolls Online, for whatever reason, it won't allow me to sign in. So I have to clear the cache and delete all the saved data, and then it'll download it again and get a fresh update. So here's the Elder Scrolls Online right here. So what I want to do is go up to the top, go to Settings, going down to where it says Save Data in Game App Settings. Now under here, go to PS5, or it could be the PS4 version of the game. Then go to where it says upload or delete from console storage. We want to go to the console storage. And then we want to go on over to delete. Now if it's an online game like Elder Scrolls Online, if we delete this, it's not going to affect the single player progress because there is none. So we can find the Elder Scrolls Online, but this will delete all the different settings, so we'll have to adjust that again in the future. So you might have a problem with Final Fantasy, maybe Fortnite or something like that if you can't sign in. So let's go on over to the Elder Scrolls Online and find it, and then select it, and then delete this. And the next time I log in now, it will automatically sync to the servers, and that should fix your login issues and clear the cache specifically for that game. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.